Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So I think today is Monday. I think it might be Monday night if I'm not mistaken. Don't hold me to it because y'all know I don't be remembering sometimes. And it's not that I have a bad memory, it's just that I don't think it's that important, especially when you do the same stuff every day. You gotta go to work, you gotta take care of home. It's just a regular thing. But I really think today is Monday. So today, y'all, I just decided to just go ahead and just start this canvas. I think the last video I had just showed y'all the color that I was gonna do in the back. Oh yeah, this is real life. I ain't even wanna block this out, but I'm still gonna paint this canvas tonight. And it is nighttime. It could be like 6:30. No, not 6:30. It could be like, if I got those curtains closed, I think here it gets dark at like 9 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. I just wanna say thank you so much for all of my beautiful subscribers that have my best interests at heart and don't mind me shedding a tear here and there, because that's real life. If you come over here with all that nonsense, I'm just gonna block you. I'm gonna just probably tell you about yourself in a good way, and it's gonna still hurt your feelings, but yeah. But yeah, this is a channel, this channel is just, it's a peaceful channel. It's a simple channel. It's a simplistic channel. It's a channel that brings you peace and joy. This is real life. People go through stuff. And if you got a problem with somebody shedding some real tears or something like that, and you think something like really wrong with them, something's really wrong with you. Maybe you need to get yourself checked out, because I'm real over here. I don't care, And like I said before, I don't have to talk about everything on here, because a lot of people, they think when you do YouTube, they think they really know you. They think they know every little thing about you, not even realizing this is just YouTube. People show you what they want to show you. That's it. That's it. That is all, and that is it. So I just wanted to put that out there. But for all of y'all who rock with me and really love me and have my best interest at heart, like I said, I appreciate you all. I really do. So yeah, guys, I'm just chilling out here, having me some water, not any wine tonight, just water. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I might be eating on some homemade almond cookies. I think that's what that is that I set in that chair in that plastic. But yeah, I had to find a way to paint this canvas in a way where I will be able to use it in another space. So the picture that you guys see above the console, I'm trying to mimic something that's similar to that. So that way, when I do move somewhere else, because I am going to move somewhere else, okay? I'm just putting it out there. She gonna get the hell out of here. She moving out of here, y'all. She's moving. She is moving and she's claiming, okay? She is, and the Father's gonna help me. So I just want to be able to take these two pictures. If I had to group them together in a space, I would be able to group those together in a space. And if I had to group those two together in a space, along with the one that's in my bedroom already, to group as a space, it will work. Or either group the one in my bedroom in the space, which you'll see that other picture. The picture that's in my bedroom, guys, I'm sorry. The picture that is in my bedroom right now, that's black and white, also goes with the one that's in my front room, which you're gonna see, okay? Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Happy Tuesday. I think today is the 28th. She's always greasy, right? It's a greasy good thing though. Yeah, so hope you all are having a wonderful day, a wonderful start to your day. So what y'all do yesterday? I didn't do much of anything. I think I probably loaded some videos. I think I did on my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Check that out. I went to see my mom, which y'all already know I always do that. And what else did I do? Relaxed, release, alone time with the Lord. What else? That's about it. I ate some good food at home. Y'all know me, I don't really do too much on, just regular. But yeah, today we're gonna go ahead and I finally got a chance to wear my outfit, y'all, today. It's only like 66 degrees. So my little Ralph Lauren sweatshirt with those gray sweats. So yeah, today I'm going to hang that canvas. I'm going to show you what it looked like. I got to go over it again, but I will check back in with you guys later on when I get home from work. All right. All right, y'all, I finally got that done. I was like, let me come home and just hurry up and take care of this real quick. There's still charcoal in there from last barbecue. I probably could use that, but it need to be wiped down and stuff like that. It has like, I don't know if y'all can see, like, what is this stuff called? Like from the spider web pieces or whatever. But I ain't gonna worry about that today. I just want to relax right now. So yeah, I ain't doing much, y'all. I came home, like I said, I laid down for a minute and then I said, I'm gonna go ahead and move that grill, get that taken care of. And then later on, I'll hang the canvas for y'all. It turned out really good. Actually, I'm still working on it, to be honest. I'm still working on it. But I'm gonna go inside in a minute. And I think I'm gonna move my couch around or something. I don't know, don't hold me to it, but that's what I wanna do. But yeah, about to go on inside in a minute and I'll call you guys back later, okay? Now, y'all remember me telling you guys that I wasn't gonna plant any plants in the yard? Things is coming up on their own. Look at that. Y'all remember this pot from last year? There's a flower that I purchased. I don't know exactly if it's this one or not, but something's coming up. Won't he do it? And then look here. I showed y'all about the Dusty Miller. Look at that. It's already getting some blooms. Sometimes you better not speak yet. It ain't time to speak, because, well, you know what? Let me take that back. Speak those things, okay? As though they are, because they will come, okay? All right, guys. Y'all know I'm always trying to be moving something, right? Moving something, redoing something. But I just want to see what this little sofa gonna look like. She's super heavy. If I move her, you know, the other way, still keep her away from the wall, but just put her like regular, like it's facing this. I just want to see it automatically already, like, you can hear what it's doing as far as like the atmosphere, the sound quality. So let's see. I don't know, I think that might be all right. That might be all right. What y'all think? I don't like things the same for long periods of time. I think you should switch it up sometimes. It doesn't hurt. So I'll do that. And we'll keep that the way that it is. And then maybe I can bring, okay. I think that's fine. I'm trying to just see how I can do the table though. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me bring it over some more. Okay. I don't know. Let me show y'all. And then y'all can tell me what y'all think. Okay? Y'all can tell me what y'all think about. So, let me know what y'all think. It's just something different, that's all. Just something a little different. Always create a different kind of space in your home. Use what you got. play around with your furniture, play around with your tables, your decor. You can always make, you know, make changes. So y'all let me know if y'all like that. All right, y'all, let me know what y'all think. It's nice and open. I can walk around the sides here. You can go walk around to the other side. You can walk through here. Then the chair moves back and forth like so. You still have your, you know, one-on-one, like from here to there. Yeah, and I just turned the table around. So yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. I like it. I really like it. That's with some light on. So that's what this space looks like now. I like it. So yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think in the meantime. It is, hold on, let me see. It's 6:13. This clock is like a minute or two too fast. I mean slow rather. But it's 6:13 and I got my food on. I got some spring rolls and I'm gonna have some steamed broccoli. And it smells so good in here. I just made me a candle, so I'm gonna be putting this candle. I'll probably be putting that candle like maybe in the I might put it in my bedroom, or I might put it back in the back room, because it was the candle that I got when I went to Myrtle Beach, and I got it from Top Shelf. That candle that I said smells so good, that birch wood smells good. But yeah, guys, so let me not talk your heads off, and I'll call you back in a minute so we can get done with this canvas, okay? All right, guys, we're back. So I will plug in a video, well, not a video, I will plug in a picture of my actual dinner plate. It was so good. I know it might not seem like much, but I am actually really, really full. So, oh, I don't know if I showed y'all, this hat has satin, my hair is still okay. You know I'm not a big hair person, as long as my hair is done. But this has satin inside the cap. Can y'all see it? How it's lined with satin? Do y'all see that? Let me go on this side. Can y'all see that? It's lined with satin. See? Real pretty. Okay, so anyway, I enjoyed my dinner. It was really good. I'm actually gonna go for a bike ride. It is 7:22 on Tuesday evening. And I just want to ride. It's a nice evening. It's like low 70s. So I want to take advantage of that. Y'all know how it is, you know. So y'all ready to see? Are y'all ready to see my canvas? So I'm going to put in a picture of what I mimicked, because what I'm going to do is, when I'm just speaking it in existence. I'm speaking it for it's going to happen. When I move, the picture that's in that back room, I used to call it a family room. It's not a family that lives here anymore, but the back room has a picture, right? I mimicked off that picture, but I wanted it to have a different backdrop, because like I said, all the canvases that I've made usually tend to have a white background. I didn't want that anymore. So y'all, without further ado, do y'all like? Do y'all like? Ain't that pretty? So just imagine this way. I can do it this way. I started to do like a face thing, and then I was like, no. Or I can do it this way, or I can do it this way. So what I did do, y'all, because it's still, I told you I had to go back over it a little bit. There's some pieces like right here. I made them like really thick so they could be like dried lines. Even though this is textured, it's very textured, I still wanted it to have like a, you know, like grooves in it. So yeah, guys, so I decided, let me make sure this thing is on here, okay. And like I said, I forgot, the back has like, I didn't have to use those little tabs, but this has like Velcro. Not Velcro, it has like some velvet here, so it won't like damage the wall. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. Let me make sure it's even. That is beautiful. Say it ain't so, y'all. Say it ain't so. I think we're a little crooked. So a lot of y'all might be wondering, like, Sonia, where you get that from? I go off of how I feel, how the space feels. And in this space, this actually goes with my other painting here. No matter if I decide to switch this one to that wall, that one to this wall, they still flow. But I just wanted something to pop on this wall, and I absolutely love that. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I really do. So should I hang it this way? This is the way I was looking. I mean, this is the way I wanted it to hang. I can always switch it around up and down, but I like it, y'all. I like it. So guys, I'm gonna close out this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me again. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. And guys, I just want to say one thing. As we navigate through this life, there is no guarantees with anything. Just always remember, no matter what you go through, just find joy in it. Even if it hurts, even if it's painful, even if it's troubling, find joy in it, because he's allowing you to go through it. So just go through it. The whole thing is getting through it, okay? Like I always say, it's for you to pass the test, not pass out in the test, but pass the test. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna do it. Oh, y'all let me know what y'all think, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.